Hey guys, so I'm over here at Five Guys having dinner and sitting over here by where the air conditioners are, and I heard this noise, so I come over here and look at it. I figured I'd show you guys what I'm seeing. So we've got one motor running and doing just fine, but this motor over here, the fan blade is just barely creeping along, hardly moving at all. And I don't know if you can hear it over all the other noise, but you can hear that motor. If I could get into this gate, I'd go over there and touch it and probably burn my fingers off. But anyway, that's the diagnostic of the weekend at Five Guys. So we sat there for a few minutes and noticed it got quiet, but if you look at the blades, that one is definitely moving faster than that one. Out, off camera, this is a complete blur, and you can tell that this one's, moving blades. But anyway, I guess it's broke loose a little bit, but it's not moving as quick as it should, and it's gonna overheat and drop out thermal probably.